video, I'm going to be showing how to use a Termageddon embed code and how to put it onto a Squarespace website. So to get started, you'll need to be logged into your Squarespace account, and you'll also need to be logged into your Termageddon dashboard, and you'll need to visit the View Embed Code page within our application. I will note that the embed code works with each and every policy that you create with Termageddon. So the way I'm sharing it today is through creating a privacy policy and embedding the privacy policy code. However, this works no matter which policy you're embedding onto a Squarespace website. So we have located the embed code from Termageddon, and we need to copy and paste this into the Squarespace website. Now before I get going, I want to share that Squarespace limits users into using what's called an HTML block or a code block. They consider it a, let's see their wording, a premium integration. So a business account is needed. If you have a personal account and you don't have this feature, you can copy and paste the text of Termageddon and then just keep an eye out for emails from us when we notify you that your policies are being updated, because you'll have to go in and copy and paste it over. But for everyone else who has a business, not only with Termageddon, but also with Squarespace, a business account with Squarespace, what you need to do to embed the code is edit your site. You need to go to Pages. You need to start by creating a privacy policy page. So I'm creating a blank page, calling it Privacy Policy. And what you'll immediately see is that it's been added into the main navigation. This is very unpopular amongst most of our users. They don't want the privacy policy there. However, they do want it available and live so they can add it into the footer, which we'll do later. But for now, we need to get the policy actually added. So what I just did was I dragged privacy policy from the main navigation down into a non-linked section. Okay, now when editing the privacy policy page, you need to click this edit button. You need to add a page, add a section, and then you need to add blank. The next thing you do is hover over here and you'll see these kind of like pin drop looking things, and click that, and within here you need to find the code block. Go over to your Termageddon account in a different tab, click the copy button, go here, delete that default content, paste it, click apply. Now you'll see it says script disabled, but that's okay. That's standard practice for Squarespace. They have a lot of documentation as to why they pause it. But sure enough, after you save, it loads here. Now even if it doesn't load, you still can view the live site in a separate tab, and your privacy policy should populate just fine. So that's how you embed the code. And as a bonus, I think a lot of people ask me, how do I add this to my footer? So we're going to go figure that out together right now. So I'm going to type in edit footer Squarespace. Hover over the footer area and click the edit in the annotation. Okay, so we're going to hover over. There we go. So when you're editing an individual page, you can edit the global footer by clicking here. You then can add links. So for example, you can highlight this and have it go to your new privacy policy page. Sometimes people like to have the page open in a new tab, which you can do by clicking that settings icon and having it in an open tab. It's your call. And now the privacy policy is added. There's another way to add it as well. In a text area within the footer, you can click one of these little pin drop things, click HTML, and type in this code. That's linking over to your privacy policy page. Just like that, and click apply. And now you've added a different way of adding a privacy policy. So hopefully that helps you, and you can always reach out to Termageddon support if you need more help. Thank you.